Welcome back to a lecture series on hydrogeology. So in this lecture now what we are going to discuss about the groundwater basins of Tamil Nadu. With respect to Tamil Nadu, what is the groundwater? Which part is distributed? How hydrogeologically the Tamil Nadu is divided? See, that is the concept of it. Look at the images of the 3D databases, which shows that this is the boundary of Tamil Nadu. And look at the boundary here. And there are major rivers which are cited here. The one which is running Palar near Kanjipuram. The second one is Punnayar River, that is there near Pondicherry and Viluppuram Shervurai bridge. And then the other one is this is Nilgiri area. The third one is which is coming from Karnataka as a Kaveri. This is Talai Kaveri, and then it reaches Salem and then travels Trichy and Tanjavur and all the tributaries in the coastal tract near what is that Kadalur district as well as the Nagapattinam district. So this is the second domain of Kaveri basin, and the third domain is Tamrabarni river, which is traveling in the Tirunelveli regions. So hydrogeologically, the major input with respect to the surface water, all these rivers are considered. And now let us see that how hydrogeologically the Tamil Nadu is divided. The groundwater basins of Tamil Nadu is divided into four major groups based on the major geological formations. As one is Archean group of rocks, the other one is Upper Gondwana group of rocks. So the third one is Cretaceous formation, which controls the movement and then the status of water in the Cretaceous as well as the tertiary formations. So this is the Tamil Nadu, state of Tamil Nadu, and the elevations are highlighted here and the rivers are also highlighted here. Kaveri, Ponnayar and then Polar river, and this is Pondicherry regions, and major locations are highlighted here in this image. Coming to the Archean group, look at that, this is the boundary of Tamil Nadu. The Archean formation consists of igneous and metamorphic rocks. The Archeans are the very oldest formation, which consists of the two major groups of rocks. One is igneous, the second one is metamorphic formation. Where it covers the entire Eastern Ghats. You see, look at that, this is Eastern Ghats hill, the movement is here. This is the Eastern Ghats. This Eastern Ghats, the complete Eastern Ghats is covered by the igneous and metamorphic terrain. It lies in the north, almost northern part, south also, and southwest portions, and covers most of the regions of Tamil Nadu. Yes, this covers most of the regions of Tamil Nadu, these two formation. It is forming as a relic mountain, that is a mountain escaped from weathering and erosion. So the remains are there here. It is called relic mountains. So this are all coming under the Archean group of rocks which controls the groundwater movement. And almost here these portions, the entire these portions are called as Eastern Ghats. Right, this is the altitude is given here. I mean the height of the terrain. The height normally, if it is more than 300, 600, you see that this is the region of the Eastern Ghats. So it is normally noticed with unconfined aquifer. What is mean by unconfined aquifer? The water table serves as the top layer of the subsurface. It means there is no confining structure on the surface from the ground, or you can say that the atmospheric pressure is equal to the same pressure at the water level. So this is how the unconfined aquifer is defined. All these formations of Archean group controlled rocks which provides you only the unconfined type. It is quite common in this formation. The average depth of the water, actually this is the data provided by the scientist up to 50 feet. The water table lies for about 40 feet below the ground level, but the average the water level has declined to many many even 500, 600 feet below the ground. Average now it is increasing. Now it is around 800, 600 to 800 degree feet water depth, but it varies depends upon the amount of rainfall. Say for example, in 2022, I mean the rainfall is quite good. It is above the normal. When the rainfall is above the normal, then automatically the water will penetrate down to the ground and reaches the surface of water table, so that the water level has comes up. So this is not static. This is average databases. The water potential of this formation is moderate. Yes, normally here you cannot expect a very excellent amount of water, but wherever the nearby rivers like Kaveri or a river like Tamarabarni, it is a perennial river where these rivers will provide continuous supply of water to the ground system, wherein you will be able to get your groundwater level near to the surface. So it varies, but moderate groundwater potential in this formation. Coming to the upper Gondwana regions, this is a peninsular Gondwana basins. You just look at that. This is the peninsular Gondwana formation. Basins of Tamil Nadu, but for the entire India, they have given peninsular Gondwana basins. How the Gondwana basins? You see, you have Godavari Valley province, and then Satpura province, and Mahanadi Valley province. Of course, as a geologist or a hydrogeologist, we also will be able to know that how the distribution is there in terms of the Gondwana, peninsular Gondwana formations are found. In Tamil Nadu, the upper Gondwana formations are found in two places. One is west of Ariyalur near Perambalur. So this is this area is near this area. This, this is Nagapattinam, and this is Chennai. Maybe this area, and near Sriperumbudur also. Here this place near this is Chennai near Sriperumbudur. These two areas are enriched with the system of upper Gondwana formations, and the upper Gondwana clay formation is act as an impermeable. Yes, upper Gondwana, if you say the major, I mean the major formations are clay, major rock types are clay. Clay has the property of higher porosity and less permeability. It is impermeable, rather you can say the permeability is less, so that this could be able to store the water for a quite long time, and in turn this is very helpful for the agriculture practices. And hence the storage of water in these formations are very low. Storage also in terms of this distribution regions are very low. The Cretaceous formations you take, of course, they have given the whole area for the distribution of various rock types, like your Kaveri basin here, and the Kaveri basin is the interest of it. Kallamedu formation, Volapadi formation, Kunnam formation, Udiyam formation, Garudamangalam formation, Uttattur formation, and Striyanattam formation. You see, these are all the areas of the Kaveri Basin, very interesting areas of Kaveri Basin, Cretaceous of Kaveri Basin. This is Deccan volcano. So nothing wrong in understanding that how the Deccan volcanic provinces are there in the northern state of India, and you look at that, this is Deccan volcanic provinces, and this is Narmada Basin. The red colors are Narmada Basin. The Krishna Godavari Basin, so this is Krishna Godavari Basins. So it's very interesting that we also will be able to, you see, this is Kutch Saurashtra. This is Jurassic of Kutch Saurashtra Basin. So everything is controlled by the geology, the water movement. The Cretaceous formations are mainly found around Ariyalur area. So this is near Ariyalur. This is the location of Ariyalur region. The other small patches also occurs in the northwest of Hydrogeology. So everything it is over here. All the names of these places which I have cited is located here, northwest of Hydrogeology and near Tanjavur. So this is the region. The Cretaceous formation is made up of compact kalk sandstone. This is a major rock type in this area. Of course, limestone is also found in this area. Due to the presence of fossil, gypsum and carbonate material, the quality of water is salty in nature. Yes, it is true. Ariyalur may be named cement city because all the because it is a sedimentary limestone formation, has got higher calcium content. It has the power of reaction with the water also more, so that calcium carbonate will enrich the water will become the water is becoming salty in this area. The cultivation in this region is very poor due to salt water. So that is the status of Cretaceous formation in terms of the distribution. Coming to the tertiary formation, the tertiary formations are considered to be an important region to store huge huge quality of groundwater. You see, you have at this place. This is the area, and where you have your what is that? Cretaceous formation is here, and this is Deccan Trap, and Deccan Trap is distributed in this region. A huge quality of groundwater. The tertiary regions lies all along the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu. Yes, completely right from Chennai and here. So this is the distribution in terms of tertiary formations are distributed in Tamil Nadu. Most of the areas in this formation shows presence of Artesian aquifer because of the confining nature, because of the confining characteristic. Like take an example in Neyveli. Neyveli is one of the best examples. Of course, it is there in the next slide. So artesian water, why that it is coming? Because piezometric level, I mean the surface water table in the confined aquifer is somewhere far away from this place, and it is near to the surface. Wherein the place where you are going for little depth, if you just put a hole automatically, because of the pressure at the other side is near the surface, this will also come automatically to the surface. That is called artesian system. And most of this tertiary formation has the character of reflecting the what is that artesian in nature. That's what I said in the next slide. Neyveli is the area. Neyveli formations, tertiary. You see, you can notice the tertiary formations here. It is not exactly given here. Tertiary formations, and it will come near to the surface, near to the coastal Neyveli in the Kadalur district. This will come. It is over here. The artesian aquifer lies at a depth of 75 meter itself. If you make a borehole above a 75 meter, automatically you will get water. You don't need to pump the water by using a pump. And the artesian aquifer also found in and around Chidambaram. We have also noticed this aquifer up to a depth of even 300 meters. It means what it happens? It is like, it is like the piezometric level. The water level surface is on the top. And if I am making a borehole here, what will happen? Automatically this will go. So this is like your no, I'll just draw using a pen, and then so that we will be able to. And suppose assume that this is the surface. I am just making a cross section. This is the surface. This is the surface. This is the surface. If the water table is here, if this is the water table, if you have a confined aquifer, maybe you assume that this is impermeable. This is impermeable. If I am making a bore here, because of the pressure here, automatically the water will be will be coming out, and then you will be getting artesian system over here. So this is how artesian water is there in Neyveli and Chidambaram, which we have Annamalai University campus also, which we have noticed this type of changes over here. And coming to the confined aquifer system, confined aquifer also found in the Arandangi taluk of Pudukkottai district, that is called confined aquifer system, where you just this picture is very clear that you see this is the tertiary formations. Tertiary formations are distributed here, and the Pleistocene, and you see that this regions almost, this is the Tamil Nadu, this is Precambrian here, and tertiary is represented here. Recent to Pleistocene is represented here, and the Deccan and Deccan Trap will not come. Kadapa will not come here. Yes, right. Aquifer in these regions also occur at a depth of 300 meter in tertiary formation. The flowing wells are found. Yes, we have noticed Avudayar Koil, Ambalavanan, and Nagudi areas. So the flowing wells, virtually we have when we have taken the students to this area, we have checked. And then we have also felt that the artesian water is lies on this area. And the tertiary formations, the artesian aquifer also found in very deeper levels in areas like Mannargudi and also in Tiruthurai-Pundi in Tamil Nadu. In Tiruthurai-Pundi, the flowing wells are found in the town itself. Yes, we have noticed this also in Tiruthurai-Pundi. So with this, the distribution with respect to archaean formation, with respect to recent tertiary formation, with respect to the hard rock, the complete characteristics are divided into major three parts, which how it is controlled and what depth the water will be. So with this, the present lecture of discussion is come to an end. Thank you very much.